Hi there. I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Hi Anna, nice to meet you too. Sure, I'd be happy to. My name is David, and I'm from a small town called Maplewood. It's a quiet place with lots of trees and a big lake.
Maplewood sounds lovely. What do you like most about your hometown?
I love the outdoors. There's a beautiful park where I often go hiking and fishing. It's a great place to relax and enjoy nature.
That sounds wonderful. What do you do for a living, David?
I work as a graphic designer at a marketing firm. I create visuals and graphics for different brands and campaigns. It's a creative job, and I really enjoy it.
That's cool. How did you get into graphic design?
I've always loved drawing and art since I was a kid. I took some design courses in college. And that's when I realized I could turn my passion into a career.
It's great that you found a way to do what you love. What are your hobbies and interests outside of work?
I'm really into photography and travel. I love exploring new places and capturing moments with my camera. I also enjoy reading science fiction novels and playing the guitar.
Wow, you have a lot of interests. Where was the last place you traveled to?
The last place I visited was Japan. It was an amazing experience, the culture, the food, everything was incredible. I took so many photos there.
Japan is on my travel list too. What's your favorite thing about traveling?
I love experiencing different cultures and meeting new people. It broadens your perspective and teaches you so much about the world.
I completely agree. So, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister named Emily. She's a doctor, and we're really close. We try to catch up whenever we can despite our busy schedules.
That's nice. It's always good to have a close relationship with your siblings. Do you have any plans for the future, David?
I'd like to travel more and maybe even live abroad for a while. Professionally, I hope to start my own design studio someday. And personally, I just want to continue learning and growing.
Those sound like wonderful goals. I'm sure you'll achieve them. Thanks for sharing about yourself, David. It was great getting to know you.
Thanks, Anna. It was great talking to you too.